Okay, so do you think I can finish HMS Victory in the next 11 months? So when it gets to April of 2024, this build will be 5 years old. I started this in April 2019. So I'd like to think that I can, after 5 years, I can pretty much get it 100% completed. And I think I'm very close. So if anybody's out there that's built HMS already, I'm going to go around the build in a minute and I'm going to talk about where this stage of the build I am. I just think maybe if I work on this for the next 11 months, don't do anything else, and I get it finished. So I've had my best month on HMS Victory in this last 30 days. I managed to get a lot done. I've managed to get more done in this last 30 days than I've done in probably the last year and a half. So my motivation's a little bit high again at the moment. So I'm thinking, why my motivation's high? I'm try and carry on. Don't touch anything else. Just constantly just work on HMS Victory and then see how far I can get. So the month for April, well, the last 30 days, the month for April going into May, I've managed to do quite a bit. I've seen this in a previous video. I managed to finish off this 34-foot launch, so that's now finished and sat in place. Well, what I've managed to do as well is I managed to get all the entire, from both the port and the starboard side of all this anti-boarding netting completed. So yeah, it's one of the ones where I'd not been wanting to do it. I actually started this one across the poop deck in October of last year. So yeah, so I think I did that like last year. Then I think actually that one I did first, and I did that one in October last year. And then really, I think I did one of these at the start of the year. But I actually managed to do all the forecastle and also the midship, and also that one as well. I managed to do all them, which pretty much worked out as 7 nettings. 7, yeah, I think I did one of these as well, or six of these anti-boarding nettings. I managed to complete them in a weekend, so I did them last weekend. So yeah, I think if I can kind of keep my motivation up and can kind of keep working on Victory, I think I can get it completed. But let me know what you think. So another question for you all as well: of these little hammocks that we get with the kit, that we roll them up, and obviously these ones have just been stained in a little bit of tea. I've just stained them off. So I don't know. I'm not convinced whether I'm 100% happy with them. I've got some different ones where I put them. I'll try and find them. Might have thrown them away, but I've got some ones where while they look as in the maybe would have looked in real life, that these hammocks are them are like folded in half, then fitted this way. So I'm just probably glue these together so they stick together, so they stay together, and then they'd be fitted inside these little hammocks like that. Let's drop a tiny little bit of glue on just so I can show you how they should look rather than keep it opening up. So I did look like that, but we'd have to have different sizes. So these are 12mm cranes, and then they're like 9mm cranes. So each one of these have to be individually cut to different sizes, but then they fold and sit in the anti-boarding netting like that. So if I did decide to do all these little hammocks, I'd probably go down that route of having them like that, folded in the middle, rather than that's how it shows you do it in the instructions. And like I say, that's just scale. That's just crazily out of scale. So don't really like that. So I don't know whether just to keep them completely bare, or if I do decide to do it, I'll go down that route of like a folded hammock. So yeah, let me know what you think. And also what I've test fitted is this anchor. this was the first part that I built for my HMS Victory build back in fact, I think I actually built this in 2018 because I bought the kit in 2018, but I didn't actually, I don't think I actually started the kit 100% to 2019. So I think I've actually made this first. So I actually made this as just a bit of a trial. It's not quite complete yet. It needs some banding around the anchor. But yeah, that's quite a nice part of the build where you're getting close to it and you start fitting on like sections like the anchor. So yeah, there's still quite a lot to do. But let's say if you're joining my channel for the first time, I've done all the masts are completed in storage, and I've done all the yards as well. So they're all completed in storage. So literally, I think I've still got just the remaining part of the bowsprit to complete. But really, woodwork and constructional parts. Obviously, I still need some more of these. I think the barge and the pinnacle needs to be making. So there's still a little bit of construction. But I'd say it's probably now it's about. I'd say it's probably now it's around about 20% of parts that need building, 80%. So yeah, I know you shouldn't really set yourself a target. But I'm thinking maybe if I try and give myself a target, it will make me more motivated. Just keep working on it. Yeah, because like I say, I mean, as you can see, this is as I walk in my door now. This is my view when I see my HMS Victory on the table. So yeah, as I'm adding more and more parts, like when I'm adding this anti-boarding netting on, it's really is starting to bring this to life. So yeah, I'm actually starting doing all the dead eyes and the chain links. So that's my next job. And I actually started making some more of these chain links together. But I'd run out of my silver solder paste, and I've been just using solder paste, and it's just not strong enough. As soon as you try and these are someone that I soldered, and then as soon as you just try and clean the solder joint, they just snap straight away. That was the one I did. And as soon as you put it under a bit of force, or you're trying to clean back a bit of the solder, well, they just snap. So I've got some silver solder on order, and that should be here in the next couple of days. Well, I did a silver solder video already when I did like a bit of a montage silver solder video. So actually, when I get the silver solder this time, I've got some different kind of tools in order as well. I've ordered some more tools, so I might actually do a tutorial of silver soldering my own style. So yeah, because I want to make it that there's, even though I'm not doing a load of step-by-step guides on this HMS Victory anymore, I want to still want these parts that I come in the build that I think would make a nice little tutorial, and I'll still keep doing that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. It's just like I say, just a bit of an update. I'll do another update in the next couple of weeks, and like I say, so hopefully when I do the next update in 2 weeks, I would have completely added all the chain links to both the port and starboard side. So yeah, so hopefully when we do the next update, I can show you that I've completed all. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care, everyone.